Hey everyone! Welcome back to Rev and Ride, your ultimate destination for exploring the most futuristic vehicles, luxury rides, and advanced automotive innovations from around the world. Today, we're diving into something that's truly beyond imagination, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand famous for its hypercars like the Chiron and the Veyron, has stepped into the world of luxury motorhomes. And what they've created is nothing short of breathtaking. This machine redefines what it means to live and travel on wheels, blending world-class performance, design excellence, and luxurious comfort into one incredible package. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is a masterpiece that takes the concept of a moving home to an entirely new level. The exterior design immediately tells you that this isn't an ordinary RV. Inspired by Bugatti's iconic supercar aesthetics, it features sleek aerodynamic lines, a low-slung body profile, and that unmistakable horseshoe grille that's become synonymous with Bugatti's design DNA. The lighting system uses adaptive LED matrix technology, creating a sharp, futuristic look whether it's cruising through the city or parked under the stars. The body is made from lightweight carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, which not only enhances durability but also keeps the overall weight balanced for superior road performance. From the side, the smooth contours and elegant chrome detailing give it a sophisticated yet powerful stance. It even comes with hidden aerodynamic vents that adjust automatically based on driving speed to maintain optimal drag coefficient. And if that's not enough, Bugatti offers a two-tone paint option inspired by their classic racing heritage, including the signature Bugatti blue paired with matte black or titanium silver. This vehicle is not just built to move, it's built to be admired. Stepping inside the Bugatti Motorhome 2026 feels like entering a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. The interior is handcrafted to perfection using the finest materials in the world. Every inch of the cabin screams exclusivity, from the hand-stitched Nappa leather seats and real carbon fiber trim to the ambient lighting system that can be customized to match your mood. The spacious living area includes an adjustable sofa set that transforms into a full-size bed, a retractable dining table made from tempered glass, and a massive 65-inch OLED entertainment screen integrated seamlessly into the wall. The kitchen is another highlight, fully equipped with next-generation smart appliances, including an induction stove, a self-cleaning oven, and a refrigerator that automatically adjusts temperature zones for different food types. The countertop is made from Italian marble, giving it an elegant touch rarely seen in vehicles. Everything in the kitchen, from the lights to the appliances, can be controlled through Bugatti's smart command system, either by touch panel or voice control through the built-in AI assistant. The bedroom area is pure luxury and relaxation. It comes with a king-size memory foam bed, temperature-regulated bedding, and a panoramic skylight that can turn opaque at the touch of a button for privacy. The motorhome also features a walk-in closet with built-in dehumidifiers to keep clothes fresh and a compact dressing area with motion sensor lighting. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a rainfall shower system, a self-cleaning toilet, and a heated marble floor that gives off spa-level comfort wherever you are. Now let's talk about performance, because this is Bugatti, performance is in its DNA. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with high-capacity electric motors, producing a combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with more power than most sports cars on the road. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour, electronically limited for safety reasons. The transmission is an advanced 8-speed automatic system that ensures smooth power delivery across all terrains. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension make the ride incredibly stable and comfortable. Whether you're cruising on highways or exploring mountain roads, the Bugatti Motorhome glides effortlessly, absorbing every bump and corner with precision. The vehicle's smart suspension can even adjust ride height automatically based on road conditions or driver preference, offering both sport and comfort modes. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is its integration of AI-assisted driving technology. It comes equipped with Bugatti DriveSense, a semi-autonomous driving system capable of handling navigation, lane control, and parking on its own. With sensors, radars, and lidar technology working together, it scans the road 360 degrees around the vehicle to ensure complete safety. The built-in autopilot mode allows hands-free highway driving, while the self-parking feature makes maneuvering a giant luxury vehicle effortless even in tight spaces. Energy efficiency has also been given a major boost. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 uses a hybrid powertrain supported by an advanced solar panel system on its roof that can recharge the vehicle's lithium-ion battery pack. It can travel over 600 miles in hybrid mode and up to 150 miles on pure electric power. This eco-friendly approach doesn't just save fuel but also reduces the carbon footprint, making it a sustainable luxury choice. When it comes to technology and convenience, Bugatti didn't hold back. The Smart Living Hub connects all systems inside the vehicle, from lighting and temperature to security and entertainment, into one easy-to-use interface. You can even control everything remotely using a smartphone app. The sound system is custom engineered by Bose with 3D surround sound and noise-canceling technology that creates an immersive theater-like experience inside the cabin. There's also a built-in 5G network module that ensures uninterrupted connectivity no matter where you travel. Another standout feature is the rear garage compartment designed to store a small electric scooter or even a compact Bugatti EV for local commuting. The motorhome's exterior also includes retractable awnings, automatic stairs, and built-in outdoor lighting for nighttime relaxation. Everything about this vehicle has been designed to combine functionality with elegance. Safety is at the core of the Bugatti Motorhome's engineering. It includes features like emergency braking assist, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, driver attention monitoring, and even a drone camera system that follows the motorhome from above to provide a real-time aerial view while driving or parking. With these technologies, Bugatti ensures that you not only travel in comfort but also with maximum safety and confidence. The Bugatti Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of ultimate lifestyle. It represents a perfect balance between innovation, power, and prestige. It's for those who demand not only speed but also comfort and sophistication on every journey. Whether you're driving through the open desert or parking near the ocean, this motorhome turns every moment into a luxury experience. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a moving palace built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. If you're as amazed by this incredible piece of engineering as we are, make sure to hit that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rev and Ride for more reviews, insights, and updates about the most advanced vehicles shaping the future of travel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.